Gundy. I'm with Purpose-Driven Therapy. I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about some back pain and some things that you can do for it. We are having a workshop on the 18th. And so if you're interested in what I have to say and want to learn a little bit more, we'd be glad to have you sign up, and you can do that by clicking on the link that's underneath this video. So back pain can come from different areas, and it's important to make sure that you know where it's coming from so that you can exercise and treat it correctly. You know, just taking some medicine kind of just masks the pain. It doesn't actually fix the pain. So you want to go to somebody who can figure out where that pain is actually coming from. So a physical therapist will look and see where that pain is at, whether it's in your upper back or your lower back, or whether it's in your leg, shooting down the back of your leg or into your foot, or whether it's coming down the front of your leg. That can mean the difference between whether it's nerve pain or whether it's your SI joint, or if it's a disc or a back problem. So there's different exercises to do for different problems. So that's why it's always important to go to a professional so that they can assess you and be able to help you, direct you in the right on the right path for that. So now I'm going to go over some exercises with you. We're going to do one for if you have some nerve pain. If you have pain that goes down into your leg, down into your foot, chances are that it's your sciatic nerve that's getting caught. So we're going to do a sciatic nerve floss, and Liz is going to demonstrate here. So what you're going to do is you're going to kick your leg out with your toe pointed up towards the ceiling. You're going to kick your leg out straight, and as your leg comes up straight, your head's going to go up. You want those two to work together, and then you're going to bring them down. Good. And then back up again. So you're going to want to do this 10 times, a couple times a day. And that should help to get that nerve loosened up if that is truly where your pain is coming from. So another really good exercise for your core, and your core is something that's really important no matter what your back pain is. You want your core to be nice and strong to help stabilize you. And those inner muscles of your core, you can't really access by doing sit-ups or by doing weight-resisted exercises. So what you want to do is you want to activate them by stabilizing yourself. So a really good exercise for that is to do a plank. So we're going to do a side plank here. So she's just going to push up here, and this is the easier version of it with your knees bent, and you're just going to hold this position for 15 seconds. So a nice slow count to 15, and then rest. You're going to want to do that a few times. So if that gets easy for you, then the next step in that is to actually extend your legs all the way so that you're on the side of your feet, and then you're going to push straight up through your arm there, yep, and hold yourself nice and steady. And you should feel that in your transverse abdominis, so all the way around here, and that should help to strengthen those back muscles. For more information, follow us at purposedriventherapy.com.